In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Hotmail account in 2025. It's a process that can be done quickly, and we're here to guide you through it step by step so you can easily start using your new email account. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you are most comfortable with. Navigate to the Microsoft Outlook website by typing Outlook Login Microsoft 365 into the search bar, or simply go directly to the Microsoft Outlook login page. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Outlook sign-in page. Now, once you've arrived at the Outlook sign-in page, don't worry about logging in. Instead, look for an option that allows you to create a new account. This is usually straightforward to find. You'll often see a link or a button asking if you'd like to create account. Click on this link to proceed. At this stage, you'll be directed to the account creation page. It's here that you'll start building your new Hotmail account. You'll need to choose a username which will serve as your new email address. Take your time here as you want something professional or identifiable if you're using this email for personal correspondence. Next, the system will prompt you to create a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. A good rule of thumb is to mix lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, and even symbols to craft a password that protects your account effectively. Make it something you'll remember, but also something others can't easily guess. It's good practice to update your password regularly. The following step involves entering some personal information. You'll be asked for your first and last name, an important step for personalizing your account. Then you'll need to fill in your birthday and your region. These details help secure your account and are necessary for setting up recovery options. After you've filled in the information, there's usually a verification step to ensure your actual presence and the validity of the information provided. You might be asked to pass a CAPTCHA verification to prove you're not a robot. Simply follow the instructions on the screen as this helps protect Microsoft's system from any potential threats. Finally, it's time to review and agree to Microsoft's terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read through these so you understand your rights and responsibilities as a user. Once you agree, you can proceed, and congratulations, you've successfully created your new Hotmail account. With your new Hotmail account up and running, you're ready to start sending emails, organizing your inbox, and exploring the various features that Microsoft Outlook offers. Following these steps, you've made a significant leap forward in setting up a free, efficient, and reliable email presence.